Suspend, how to play. This game is best played with 2 players. The objective of the game is to be the first person to place their last piece. Assemble the stand and insert the 3 frame rods into the holes. Then add the wooden connector and add the rod with the hook. Separate the pieces into 2 equal piles using 2 pieces of every color in each pile. Choose a player to go first and place 1 piece of their choice, hanging it correctly. Continue this process. If at any point in the game some pieces fall, whoever just went is responsible and collects all the pieces that fell. Another fun way to play is using the dice. Roll the dice and place the color it shows. You may decide if you will allow to use the wooden connector for help at the beginning of the game. No pieces may ever touch the table. If it does, replace it. If you don't have the color, then you must take the color from your opponent and place it. If your opponent does not have it, then you skip your turn. This is such a great gift and such a fun game to play. If you'd like to buy this, then you can buy it in the link in the description below. The first player runs out of pieces wins. Just careful that your opponent doesn't get too mad. If you'd like this video, then go check out this one.